Welcome to the world of mysteries of the universe. Today we will dive into one of the most fascinating topics of modern astronomy: black holes. What are these mysterious objects? How do they affect the surrounding space and time? Let us figure it out. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape them. They are formed as a result of the collapse of massive stars. When a star runs out of fuel, it cannot maintain its own gravitational field and begins to shrink. Show an animation of a star collapsing into a black hole. There are several types of black holes: stellar, supermassive, and intermediate. Stellar black holes are formed from stars that were several times larger than our Sun, while supermassive black holes can contain millions and billions of solar masses and are located in the centers of most galaxies. Despite the fact that black holes are invisible, astronomers can detect them by their effect on the surrounding space. One of the main methods is to observe stars that revolve around invisible objects. If the star is orbiting, this may indicate the presence of a black hole. Show examples of observations, graphs of the movement of stars. In addition, black holes can emit X-rays when material clouds are rapidly absorbed. This radiation is detected by telescopes and helps astronomers draw conclusions about the presence of black holes. What is a galaxy? Galaxies are huge systems consisting of stars, star clusters, interstellar gas, dust and dark matter, which are interconnected by gravity. They vary in size, shape, and composition, and are the basic units of the universe's structure. Here are a few key aspects about galaxies. Spiral galaxies. They have spiral arms surrounding a bright central core. An example is our Milky Way galaxy. Elliptical galaxies. They have a rounded or ellipsoidal shape and contain less gas and young matter than spiral galaxies. Irregular galaxies do not have a clear shape. They are often formed as a result of the interaction of larger galaxies. Removable icy galaxies. These are galaxies that are remnants of the interactions of two or more galaxies. Galaxies are not static. They evolve over time by interacting with, absorbing, or colliding with other galaxies. These interactions can lead to the formation of stars, activity in the cores of galaxies, for example, the formation of quasars, and a change in the shape of the galaxy. Astronomers use various methods to study galaxies, including optical, radio, and infrared observatories. With the help of telescopes such as Hubble, we have made significant progress in understanding the structure, number, and evolution of galaxies in the universe. Galaxies are the most important components of the structure of the universe, and studying them helps us to better understand both our own galaxy and the universe as a whole. Every day, astronomers discover new galaxies and study their properties, leading to new scientific discoveries and understanding of the cosmos. Despite the fact that we have learned a lot about black holes, many mysteries remain. One of the biggest is information. According to quantum mechanics, information cannot be destroyed, but inside a black hole it seems to be lost. How is this possible? To discuss the information paradox and different approaches to its solution. Various theories, such as string theory and the holographic principle, try to explain how information can be preserved even in black holes. The holographic principle is a concept in theoretical physics that assumes that all information contents of a three-dimensional space, for example, three-dimensional space, can be fixed at its boundary, that is, in a two-dimensional form. This principle is closely related to black holes, quantum mechanics, and string theory. Black holes also challenge our understanding of time and space. They distort the space around them, creating the effect of gravitational lensing and slowing down time. This effect is described in Einstein's theory of relativity, and its consequences are still being actively studied. Show animation with distortion of space and time. What happens if you find yourself on the edge of a black hole? According to a theory known as the event horizon, time will move slower for you than for an observer away from a black hole. Who is Einstein? Einstein is a surname best known in connection with Albert Einstein, an outstanding theoretical physicist who was born in 1879 in Germany and died in 1955 in the United States. He is best known for his theory of relativity, which changed the concepts of time, space, and gravity. The most famous formula associated with his name is E mc 2, which describes the relationship between mass m and energy E, where c is the speed of light in a vacuum. Einstein also made significant contributions to the development of quantum theory and static mechanics. In addition to his scientific work, Einstein showed an interest in philosophy, social justice, and politics, speaking out against nuclear weapons and for world peace. His name has become synonymous with genius and creative thinking. But what else do black holes hide about themselves? What secrets are not known to us? About this in the next video. Black holes not only absorb matter, but also play an important role in the evolution of galaxies. They can influence the formation of stars and the distribution of matter. Subscribe, like, and enjoy the pleasant music and videos.